Hi, there are two ways how you can turn off flashlight on your iPhone 16e. So, if you accidentally turned it on and now you don't know how to turn it off, then you can do it with the help of your control center first. So, swipe down from top right corner to trigger it, find this white flashlight icon, and tap it once to turn off flashlight. Another way how you can turn it off or on is with the help of your lock screen. So just go to your lock screen, find this flashlight control on the bottom, and if it's white, then flashlight is on and you need to press and hold it like that. You'll also feel a slight vibration, and now it is turned off. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.